Top 5 tips for dealing with a car that won't start. Having your car refuse to start can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're in a hurry or far from home. Before you panic, try these top 5 tips to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. 1. Check the battery. A dead or weak battery is a common cause of starting problems. Look for corrosion on the terminals, ensure they're tightly connected, and try jump-starting the car if possible. 2. Inspect the fuel system. Make sure there's fuel in the tank and that the fuel pump is working. If you suspect a fuel issue, try adding some fuel and see if the car starts. 3. Test the starter motor. If you hear a clicking sound when you turn the key, it could indicate a faulty starter motor. Try tapping the starter gently with a tool while someone else tries to start the car. 4. Check the ignition system. Faulty ignition switches or spark plugs can prevent your car from starting. Inspect the ignition system and replace any components that appear worn or damaged. 5. Scan for error codes. Modern cars are equipped with onboard diagnostics that can provide valuable insights into the problem. Use an OBD scanner to check for error codes and troubleshoot accordingly. If you've tried these tips and your car still won't start, it may be time to seek professional help. Remember, regular maintenance and care can help prevent many starting issues in the future. Dealing with a car that won't start can be stressful, but these tips can help you diagnose and potentially resolve the issue. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks to keep your car running smoothly.